Hello?
A lot of
You call me and then I'll call you and then we'll call each other. That was a joke. Okay. Goodbye.
Okay, no, I got it.
Let's try! Yeah! Come on! Shake, shake. I'll take you home if you don't leave me at the front door. Your body's cold.
Creepy. Wait, whoa. Oh, that's a fish. What the hell is over there? Do you hear that noise? Yeah. What is that?
I don't know, a bird maybe?
No, it's not a bird. What the fuck?
It's a squirrel.
Where?
Right there.
I don't see it. I see it. Oh, let me call Hillary.
So now you're falling in love. Let me go now. This feeling's turning me up. Here we go. Now she doesn't like this, so you do it like that. Now she touches like this, will you touch her like that? Now she moves like this, will you move it like that? Come on, shake, 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 shake it, shake.
Oh, come here, Courtney.
What?
Look at that huge thing.
Holy crap.
That's cool.
Look at